This is a protector. It helps you measure angles in degrees. It is a measuring instrument made up of transparent plastic or metal for measuring angles. It has degree scales on it. A protector is a handy tool used to measure and draw angles. Generally, you will find the protector in semicircle shape divided into 180 parts or full circle divided into 360 parts. Now let us see how to measure angles. A protector has usually two sets of numbers going in opposite directions which confuse new learners. You need to be careful which one to use. Okay, the outer scale you can see this one going from left to right with the numbers from 0 to 180 in increasing order, whereas the inner scale goes from right to left in increasing order like this. You can see over here so that it becomes clear. Okay, this cross is the origin of the protector. The line which you see here, that is your baseline which you need to take care. This is the baseline and this is the cross point which is your origin. Okay. Now, whenever you have some doubt, you are asked to measure the angle and you have some doubt, then always think that is the angle given acute, obtuse or right, and then after you may start your work, that is you may approximate the measure of your angle so that you are never wrong. Now suppose you want to measure this angle. Which are the steps you need to take care? First thing is approximation. You will think that is the angle given acute, obtuse or right. So here you can see that the angle given is obtuse angle. So my answer should be greater than 90 degree, right? Now the second thing, I will place the origin with the origin of the protector with the vertex of the angle, right? And one of the arm should match with the baseline. So one step is you will arrange the protector so that it matches with the baseline and the vertex of the angle with the origin of the protector. So here you can see that I have arranged this arm with the baseline and this vertex of the angle with the origin of the protector. So two steps at a time I have completed, right? Now I have to see that where is 0 on the inner scale or the outer scale. Okay, so here this was my matched things. So here only I will see the outer scale and the inner scale and I will find out where the 0 is. Is it on the outer scale or inner scale? Here you can see that it's on the inner scale, right? So from there I will start and I will see to that where the second arm of the angle falls here. So here you can see that it is at 125, right? So this angle is of 125 degree. If somebody has started with arranging this arm, then they may have started like this. So that vertex and the origin of the protector matches and the baseline here. Okay, now 0 is on the outer scale. So from here you need to see 0, 10, 20 and where the second arm is. So here you can see that it is at 125 degree approximately. Yes, so I will do it 125 degree, right? Now let us see how to draw angles with the given measures. Say you want to draw the angle which measures 150 degree. So first step what you will do is draw a ray. So here I have drawn a ray. This is my initial point or the end point. Okay, here I will place my protector. So baseline and my origin of the protector matches. Okay, now here this is the matching ray. Vertex is here. So I will start from the opposite side and I will see that where is 0 and I will extend up to 150 degree. So here 0 is on the inner scale and now here I have to find out where 150 degree is up to. So 150 degree is up to this point. I will mark a dot over here. Okay, and then I will extend my line. So here this angle will be 150 degree. Let us name the angle. Say this is your angle ABC which is of 150 degree. Right? Suppose you want to draw the angle which is of 70 degree. So here I will draw a ray. Suppose this is my ray. Fine. This is my origin or the end point. I need to arrange my origin of the vertex. Origin with the vertex. So here this is arrangement and this line matches with the baseline of the protector. I will find out 0. If this is the vertex, I should start from the opposite side and 0 you can see it's on the outer scale, right? So I have to focus on the outer scale and I need to find out where 70 degree goes. So 70 degree is here. I will mark a dot and then vertex and this marked point I need to join. And then I can have the measured angle. Let me name it as angle XYZ which is equal to 70 degree. Don't get confused that 70 degree is this side, or when 70 degree you see here, you don't get confused. You have to see and think that 70 degree is an acute angle, not the obtuse angle. So here it shouldn't cross 90 degree. 90 degree you don't have to cross it. Here from here when you start and you find out 70 degree here, then you have crossed this 90 degree. That is not true. If this was the arrangement, this was the vertex and the opposite side where the baseline matched, you have to see the opposite side and then inner scale and outer scale decide and mark the correct point. Thank you.